Hi everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to explain you about sales cycle. So let's leave about SAP. Okay, so normally how the sales process happen, and even we can discuss about transaction codes if required. Sales process. We will take one plain sales process. How does it happen, and what are the steps involved? You can check it. All of you know that one. The first it will start with sales order. Here also, like, we can have any kind of contract concept and all, but I will utilize most of the common processes or common documents which will be used during the sales process. And in SD also they have a customer info record like our vendor info record in MM, so to get the price and all the details. Sales order, then outbound delivery. So once the outbound delivery, for example, sales order can be created for 100 quantity, but outbound delivery can be created for 100 quantity, or else they can create for 60 based on the plan or based on the available quantity. They can allocate the quantity in that way. So once outbound delivery is created, actually during this outbound delivery case itself, the business can create a shipment document to combine the deliveries. And a few business processes I have seen, they will combine after packing, and a few companies can combine in advance. Okay, let me maintain that way. Like, they create the shipment document. So what is the shipment document? The shipment document will be used to combine multiple deliveries based on the same customer or same region. The business can combine so that the truck can go to that area and provide the materials based on the individual deliveries. Mostly the shipment will be used to combine same customer related. After that, do the picking, then packing, then post goods issue. During post goods issue, they can print the documents like packing slip. Few companies may call it like a delivery slip. So the delivery slip, packing slip, they can print from either shipment document or individual deliveries. Mostly when they use shipment, they print from the shipment document because it can give the consolidated printout. Then billing document. So the billing document will be created and sent to the customer along with the goods. If they are using any EDI functionality, via EDI output type, they can send to the customer. Otherwise, a printout will be given to the driver. It will be sent to the customer. Here we need to understand that what is the use of document, shipment document. Shipment document is not mandatory, it's an optional. Like I mentioned, few companies use it to combine the outbound deliveries related to the same customer. Okay, the packing slip or delivery slip, based on the requirement, business will do the printout. The billing document, automatic, mostly in automatic. Once the post goods issue is done, the system will automatically can create the billing document based on the background job or any other setting. So the packing and picking, you can say like what exactly happens in packing. For example, they have taken small loose boxes or small pieces. Okay, so during picking, based on the outbound delivery has 3 pieces, 4 pieces. In this packing area, they will do a packing per customer. Okay, they can keep all the small pieces into one pack. Okay, or also similar kind of materials like that, they will do the packing. This packing can be do the loading. Even I want to mention here, before goods issue there is one more process called loading. Okay, so it may be in system or out of system. There is a process called loading will happen. So when the materials are keeping in the truck, that we can call it like a loading. So now we understand that sales order is the main document with the customer, and outbound delivery is the confirmation what exactly we do it. And SAP transaction code wise, this is VA01, this is VL01N, we can create, and shipment is VT01N. The picking and packing, if you are using WM, then it will be like LT03 and LT12, and if you are doing a packing, you will do in VL02N. If you have handling unit management, you can do the packing there. Post goods issue, VL02N, and billing document, VF01. Okay, if you want to take a printout, again you can take from the VL03N. So the overall sales cycle, mainly these board videos I'm making to make you understand to what is business process and what are the steps will involve during a process. So the transaction codes, configuration, anyway we have other videos where we go to SAP system and I can explain about the processes. But this is more into like a generic business processes. You need to understand how does a sales process. Okay, they can have a sales contracts with the customer, they can create, okay, and remaining things are normally happen. So you need to understand that the billing document will be sent to customer, the tax invoice. Okay, they can print a document from here. So, tax invoice or billing invoice document will be printed. So that can be, like I mentioned, that can be sent directly to customer via EDI, or you can, if you have a PDF document, you can send that external send option, right? The document can be sent, or else the physical copy. Anyway, the physical copy is mandatory for the driver when they are crossing the toll or when they cross the border, like any customs, anything, they can show this document. This is the invoice document. These are the materials available inside the container, inside the truck. So these are the physical documents are still required to show into the to show to wherever it's a customs or a toll check, wherever you can they are crossing, it's a road transport or ship, they have to show those documents. I hope you understand about the sales process. If you like the video, hit the like button and provide your comments whether what kind of improvements or what kind of clarity you wanted to improve. So definitely I will include that one. So like I mentioned here, picking and loading is one more step actually in between goods issue. Okay, they really want to have that one. So during packing, loading, and post goods issue. Thanks for watching, and if you came to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button. Have a good day.